Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make your own Easter egg design in Heartopia. So if you're level like 14 already of the DG member, you're able to paint stuff. Like you're able to paint your bed, your outfits and stuff like that. I do have I have like two outfits that I painted, but basically you get this like canvas. So with the new like Easter egg thing that you get from Revival Hymn, if you go to the exchange store, there will be I think we get it already actually from the Wonder Egg Hunt. Did we get it from this one? Yes, we got it from the Wonder Egg Hunt. I think I don't remember where we got this recipe from, but basically we get to craft an egg, as you can see here, the hand painted Easter egg. I don't remember where the recipe is from though, so sorry about that. But you can now paint your own Easter egg however you like. There's a limit on it though, so you'll have 13 more days to paint one. Start painting front and back part, obviously in the shape of an egg. I'll just do something really silly right now because I don't know what to paint, you guys. I'm just gonna do like something cute. There we go. Let's do like a stamp. Let's do like this bow. And then here, you're actually able to dye it that pattern. And it looks like this. So I'm not going to do this yet, but look how cute it is. So yeah, you can start painting your Easter eggs if you want to. I just figured that out today. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.